So we removed these bolts from the trees, these M8 bolts. We got the headlight cover off, and there's a little plug here. See that there? It's a little rubber plug. We pop that out, get that out of the way so the hole's exposed. We take this part here and we clip it right here. That's supposed to be two separate pieces. It just comes as one, so it makes it easy. So I cut this part off with some side cutters. I'll show you how this all goes. So we take this piece and we route a zip tie through it. All right, see, I got the zip tie routed through the bracket itself. And then we'll just cinch it down like so. Pull it tight as you can get it. And that's it. Clip this off and put the headlight bezel back on. These bolts that hold the GPS mount to the fork crown here, these get torqued down to 19 Newton meters. So we're gonna do that now, just torque them down. Hold the bracket because this is going to try and torque the bracket. It's gonna try and twist it a little bit. And we don't want that to twist. We want it to stay in the spot that it's in. So there we go. Torque down to 19 Newton meters. Go to the beep or click. There we go. They're already installed. That GPS isn't going anywhere. Yep. Got a minimal GPS mount. And this one currently has the Montana 650. You could mount the new 700 series Montana up here, the 700 mount. You could do the Zumo mount. Some of those might block the view of the speedometer a little bit, but I know a lot of those, it'll block the view of the speedometer like right there at 12 o'clock. But at the same time, if you have those more advanced GPSs, you can use those as your speedometer, and then you're basically just using this speedometer for the readout down there. It doesn't block it much. It just blocks off the top. So you won't be able to see that your needle is pointed directly on 70 unless you know that's there.